Hi everybody, I am Parna again with you all with a new topic. Do you know the facts about the coyote wolf hybrid? Coyote wolf? In the wild, wolves usually kill coyotes upon spotting them. But what if they breed among themselves to produce a hybrid? Animal Shake tells you some facts about this hybrid called coyote wolves, such as their rabbit range, size, appearance, lifespan, eating habits, and much more. Did you know quite a few scientists believe coyote wolves are among the smartest animals on the planet. Since the arrival of the first European settlers, coyotes have also been considered undesirable in North America. They were essentially killed for being suspected livestock predators and later for their fur. However, despite their best efforts, humans are never able to wipe out these animals whose population has only grown to cover and parts of the continents. They never face the same fate as wolves. They are more formidable cousins who were almost driven to extinction until rescued by last ditch attempts. This has a lot to do with their intelligence and adaptability qualities for which coyotes are slowly being appreciated. But if an animal has the size of an wolf but is as smart as coyote, this is near accurate description of a coyote wolf, which is described below with some interesting fact. What are coyote wolves? A coyote wolf is a hybrid between a coyote and one of the various wolf species found in the North American continent. Eastern wolves, grey wolves including their Mexican and northwestern subspecies, and red wolves, it is also known as the eastern coyote since most coyotes in the northeastern United States have been found to carry some wolf genes. Genetic makeup. Coyote wolves have obtained 62% of the genes from coyotes, 27% from wolves and 11% from dogs. So they are not 50-50 hybrids of wolves and coyotes has been people believe, though such hybrids have been produced by scientists through artificial insemination. Appearance. Coyote wolves are about 4 to 5 feet in length from their nose to the tip of the tail. They are usually smaller than wolves and larger than coyotes, but resemble both. Their coats show a variety of hues ranging from bone-lynch to dark blackish. Diet. Coyotes mostly consume rodents and other small prey like rat, mice, squirrels, rabbits, geese, duckling, carrion along with nuts and berries. They also routinely rummage through garbage bins in suburban areas looking for leftover food scraps. Habitat and range. They are more common in rural and suburban areas, though spreading rapidly with urban zones too. They make their homes in ravines and near stream and prefer woodlands to grassy plains. Coyotes occur in large part of the southeastern Canada and some northeastern US states like Illinois, Chicago, and have been rich metros like New York and Toronto. Their population is rapidly spreading westwards both in USA and Canada. Origins. In North America, human interference in nature has rapidly increased in the last 150 years. With a rise in the human population, deforestation, encroachment on forest land population, and pollution and grazing persecution, eastern wolves were forced to migrate northwards from northeastern USA where they earlier thrived. As a result, those living in the southwest moved in to fill in the gap. Eastern wolves were almost completely exterminated for 48 US states and survived mostly in parts of Canada. Due to such large-scale reduction in their population, they were forced to see western coyotes, which they normally killed on encountering as potential mate. As a result, the first coyote wolf was discovered in Canada, Algonquin Provincial Park in 1919. Lifespan. Owing to their elusive nature, the exact lifespan of coyote wolves is not known. However, it is thought that they survive up to 10 years in urban areas and between 3 to 5 years in the wild. Attitude towards human. Coyote wolves are not dangerous to human as it believed. They share their caution, the coyote's shyness, and generally avoid any contact with people. However, if you see any animal getting too close for comfort, raise your hands and create a din or whistle. Avoid the urge to turn around and flee. Moreover, about feeding these animals as they may lose their fear of humans and can become a threat to others. They are known to prey on pets, so it's advisable to keep your pet safe and pet food inside. Difference with coyotes and wolves. Coyote wolves are omnivorous, which means they can survive in both a meat and fruit based diet like coyotes. Wolves, being carnivorous, survive either on meat or carrion. They are up to 40% larger than western coyotes but smaller than eastern wolves. The weight of a coy wolf 35 to 45 lb lies between that of a coyote 15 to 30 lb and wolf 75 to 100 lb. They have longer and wider jaws than coyote, with bordered forehead and strong jaw muscle like a wolf. Coy wolf have longer lip and shorter ears, which are more rounded than coyotes. Vocalization starts with a deep wolf-like howl and changes midway into the high-pitched yipping sound of a coyote. They are more social than coyotes, similar to wolves, and live and hunt in pack of 3 to 5. Pups are larger as birth and play without violence, unlike coyotes. Moreover, coy wolf pup becomes sexually mature at the 2 years of age, much later than in coyotes. Benefits of interbreeding. Their large size and increased bite strength allows to coyote-wolf hybrid to hunt bigger prey like white-tailed deer, whereas the largest prey coyotes can take down is a deer fawn. However, they are much smaller than wolves to hunt larger prey like moose and full-grown deer. They have the ability to adapt to a variety of habitats, including urban areas, just like their coyotes' cushion. Wolves, on the other hand, lack such adaptability, which is contributed to their decline. One reason for the rising success of coy wolves is that, unlike other hybrids, they are fertile and can breed to produce offspring. Since dogs, wolves and coyotes belong to the same genus, canis, they readily interbreed amongst themselves. This behavior has led to the rise in their population along with coyote dog hybrids, known as coy dogs, though this is mistakenly used as synonym for a coy wolf. Related post: facts about coyote terrier wolf. The interesting fact about coyotes go well beyond the depiction of this species in popular culture, while there is no questioning that what is even more interesting is their ability. Astounding facts about wolf spider that will leave you awestruck. We tend to associate spider with their ability to build a web to catch prey, but there exists an entire family of spider which does not